It's Dip by Friday, baby. So today is Friday, June 11th, 2021. We gonna finish the week off strong, hopefully. Make a couple dollars today, Here's my current watch list right here. Oil is up, right? Gold is down. Crypto market is red. Over market is green. This morning, NOVN and I think GBS is the big runners this morning. I haven't really checked that closely in about an hour. So, take a look at the watch list. Here's my screen right quick. I am in no way whatsoever giving anyone financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet who love to trade stocks. So follow me at your own risk. I do these trading videos to watch my progress and make sure I'm doing things the correct way. So if you follow your own follow your own risk. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's a guy like trading stocks on the internet. This morning, NOVN had some news. It ran up for a bit, pulled back, and then exploded. The news that ran up on this morning, to me, when I looked at it a little while ago, doesn't look like some news that should run the stock up freaking 100%. So when this thing pulls back, it's going to be ridiculous. So be careful of that NOVN. However, I may trade it. Haven't looked at the float yet. NOVN float. The float on this thing is approximately, let's see, is it on my list? I know it is somewhere. Interesting. There we go. I just passed it. It's taking way too long. Oh, 15 million share float. It has a tiny float. That's why the move was so big. When that volume came in, it's trading 12 million shares on a 15 million share float. So that's a pretty small float. So I may keep an eye on this at the opening of the market. It's currently pulling back on the 5-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, it is also pulling back. It may have found some support at this 70 RSI. That's usually the bullish buy-in mark right there. So this candle here is green, so it's a strong buy. However, you look at the MACD is dark green, but the RSI is recovering for the bounce. So that's obviously going to be on my watch list for sure. The next one I was watching is let me look in my chart. I put them all in my thing over there, but I did not remember to put them on my charts. So NOVN AMST, which is right here, is also on my watch list. That was a terrible pullback. It's already telling me that it's danger. Look how much that pullback was. It ran up 4 in the morning, and then it pulled back and dumped. What's the news this morning? There was no news. What's the float on AMST? That's terrible pullback. Oh, 20 million share float. So that's a 20 million share float, a move with no news. So one wonders what's going on. Here go recovery right here. So what I'm going to do is look for a bounce right here. And then look for opening on what we at? NOVN. I'm sorry, I'm trying to type. Look at my cell phone. Look at my Webull account. I got so much stuff going on. Alright, so AMST is on my watch list. I don't remember I put it on there or not. I did. It's right there. I saw it pass. So here we are right here. Also, PTIX. Is that on my watch list as well? Wait, look in a minute. PTIX. It's a greeny green move right now. Maybe over, well, not quite. Look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. Watch this move right here on PTIX. So I gave you a couple. Not OP. PTIX. PT. There you go. As I typed it in, look, watch this move right here. We're gonna watch it live over here. What's the float on this thing? Do I have it on my watch list? Don't see it, so I'm gonna add it right quick. PTIX should be on here. I'm gonna also add GBS if it's not there. I'm gonna add CMMB. Come on now. And what else? PGEN, Gray, and Archon, MXINTG. Those are a few on my ad. So I'm gonna go back over here. I have PTIX right there. I have NOVN right there. Let me make it a little. I'm also have a swing on Coinbase and also swing on GameStop as well. I don't think I have AMC right now. I'm gonna add one more to my screen to look at. So I'm gonna add GBS right here. GBS. This is my small account, of course, so I think I may have something like 470 or 450 bucks available to trade. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm trying to find the best movement for me before at market opening. If you know by now, I like making my trades right when the market opens on that first candle. I like to hop in and hop out. It's a terrible pullback. What happened right here? GBS has some news this morning. CBS surge. It says surge, but wasn't news on that. Let's look. What made the surge? So we can always go to Yahoo Finance, type in that, and we'll see what news it is. Future reference. I'm not gonna do it in this video. I like to look at this for quick reference, but always go to Yahoo Finance and see why it did that. It moved for no reason according to Thinkorswim. However, let's look back further. It's the highest it's been in 6 months. Yeah, so the move, one may wonder why it moved, why it moved like that. Could be some insider selling, sharing going on, buying and selling going on. Who knows? Let's look at my float on this. What's the float? No, I added to my watch list, I'm sure. Well, I don't see it. There we go, right at the bottom. $12 million share float. Move like that this morning with no news. Interesting. So, my main focus right now is NOVN. Because you know why? Leading gapper today. It's currently pulling back. I told you guys to watch NOVN at the opening, right? And I'm on it right here. I'm going to go back to my charts right here as well and look. AMST, nah. PTX is failing. However, if you could have bought that, which I wouldn't buy it, it would have been a red to green move. And you see here, or a green to green move. Only a buying opportunity for this stock this morning would have been back here at 905. You could have bought in for a quick run up. And then from that point forward, it hasn't made a red to green move or a green to green move, creating a new high. So at this point, the only buy opportunity I see for me is going to be NOVN. Do some quick math right quick. As you know, I do math on my screen to make sure I am doing the exact thing I need to do. Say I have 450 in my account, right? And I want to trade it the nearest point, like to make whole dollar amounts, right? So the nearest dollar amount is going to be 15 bucks. So I'm going to go right here and divide it by 15 bucks. So I can buy 30 shares at 15 bucks with the amount of money I think is in my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a 32. So say you buy pre-market, early pre-market, which I don't do that. You could have bought it way back here somewhere for red to green move for a nice run up. For 12 bucks up to daggone the first red that passed previous green, which has been right here somewhere, 14 bucks. You could have made a quick little $2 move. 8 seconds to market open. I'm on a 5-day, 5-minute. Watch level 2, right? Watch the movement. Check my auto send and see what happens. Watch my MACD. Watch my RSI. This must curve upwards for me to buy it. And I missed it. I was talking and I missed it. Let me make it a little bigger. Man. Profit taking is going to happen. It's expected. New high is going to be right here at 1483, 1558. Let me go back here. You know I want 30 bucks. It's my new target. 1558. Right there. New target in my small account is 30 bucks a day. I should have waited for one candle to complete, but I didn't. But watch the buyers pile in. We trading 62%. It is popped 15 bucks a couple minutes ago. Everybody gonna run this thing up. Watch. I'm gonna sell past this 1558 point. I would type in the group, but I'm watching carefully my small account. I don't like losing money. But you have it in the group to see it. That watch at the opening. See that burgundy coming in with this green candle. So watch this move. If I wasn't on the screen, I would do a trading stop and you'll see it move for me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go sell market. I'm gonna go edit. I'm gonna go trading stop. Because moving so fast, I'm gonna go to a smaller amount. So I'm gonna go right here down to 4 cents or 5 cents and watch for this move. Once it crosses my point here, I'm gonna click on my trading stop. It's gonna grab the point nearest to the top. See this curvature right here? I don't want to do that. No, I don't. I'm gonna sell it live. It's gonna move and halt. One big buyer come in right here. Watch the axis. A big buyer come in and run this thing up. Watch the high of day, 1558. Look at the right axis right here. Next move up, I'm gonna hop out. It should pop this point. See this point here it's stopping at? It's a wall right there. So I'm gonna go here into the group and say, if it logs on, watch this 1558 wall. It's gonna break that wall for sure. The wall is right there. I mean, I'm sorry, 15. My bad, y'all. 1520 wall. That wall was a little too high. 1520 wall. Then high of day. All right, see that? Watch the 1520 wall, then new high of day. I'm gonna hop out of this, go on my charts. You know how I do. I missed PTIX. I put it on my list, but I didn't buy it because I'm busy doing this video. As always, I sure missed that daggone move. And I was telling you guys to watch this PTIX. And I missed the daggone move. I think it hard on volatility as well. Gosh dang it. Let's look. Can't curse in this video, right? May have kids watching my video. PTIX, I missed that, and it halted on volatility, didn't it? Let's see. Maybe not, it's still moving. I'm still looking right quick on my cell phone, trying to find some buys. May have a buy coming in here. Wait, I'm looking over here. On AMST. I don't know what the volume looking like. So I'm telling you early to keep an eye on this right here for a possible red to green move. Let's see what happens on AMST. Top left, keep an eye on NOVN. I'm still in it in my small account. I haven't traded yet in my large account, but I may buy it in a second. Waiting for a red to green move to buy it in my large account. We have a new candle that came in, so it must be green. Right now it's looking like it's red, so I'm going to keep an eye on it for a second before I buy in my large account. I'll buy way more than 32 shares, obviously, in my large account. So I'm going to get that right move for that big enough move. Looks like 14 bucks is the resistance point or support point at this point. Around 14 bucks. So let's see. Here come the buyers right here on NOVN. It's the level 2. Let's look at it. Sometimes you might not meet your target for what you wanna make in a day. So don't be scared to cut your couple dollars short and be on to the next stop, right? But my situation, I know for a fact it's NOVN about to pop the high of day. I'm not even stressing it. I'm keeping my eye on everything right now, trying to see. I see play popped up. Let me go to play right quick. GBS not doing nothing. Play. You know what play is by Not Dave and Busters, if you don't know. So I'm gonna go to the group and say, come on, y'all could fucking put in the group. And if those you have a couple of dollars can buy play. You see it on the bottom right? It's making a nice little move over there. Dave Busters is not open officially 100%. So you can go ahead and get your play on with play. Top left, I hopped in the NOVN at 14.12 for this move right here. Let's see what happens. Here come the buyers. I'm looking. Here come the buyers. I'm gonna click off this, head over to my trade window, and watch this move. It's gotta pop this point. Watch this. See that burgundy? See that curvature up? See those buyers coming in and see them ghost sellers? They popping in and disappearing. Those are ghost sellers. They're trying to scare you, trying to short it. And if you're inexperienced with trading stocks, you're going to be a person who backs away from that. Now I'm up right now, as you see, but I know it can go a lot higher. This is imminent. That wall is 1520. It's in the group. The new high of day is right there as well. It's also in the group. Watch this move. Here we go. Gonna blow through it. We blow through, we go on to the high of day. Watch this. Go. $30 is reached. Almost there. Here come the green. I'm not gonna sell yet. Here come the buyers. We're gone. New high of day is coming. I'm gonna sell in a minute and then go on a large account, make some more money. Now high of day. There we go. Alright, so I'm out of it in my small account. New high of day, right? I'm in my large account, and my sell order is, I think it's 1540. I was in at $14, I think I said, or something like that, 14 something. It's on video. I'm kind of like looking at the video at the same time I'm talking, so I don't know what I told you guys, but whatever it was, that's what it was. And it's still going. But look, I said to you guys, look for movement opening NOVN. Watch this 1520 wall, the new high of day. You saw it kept banging that wall in the video. It popped that wall, it immediately made a high of day, and it's still going, right? Then I said also is look for pre-market bounce on AMST, PTIX, and watch for movement AMST, then watch play. So if you look at my chart again, you'll see bottom right, play. It popped up, high of 47.88. I caught it down here somewhere when it moved. PTIX popped up, pre-market, it pulled back, red to green move, perfect. High of day, 419. And here we are now in my NOVN trade. High of day, it may have halted, I'm not sure. No. But over here, it's AMST, it's not doing nothing. So here we are. I traded, I think 450. I need to buy this again, man. I'm up 30,000 on NOVN. I think I need to buy it again though. Before it halt. It's about to halt. My mind. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to make some money, right? We're doing videos to make money. So here we are. In 32 shares, cost me 400 or something. Do the exact math, shall we? 32 shares, I paid $14.42. Right? I like to show math, right? So I paid $4.61 to hop in stock. I got in and I made a whole dollar, 42 cents. 42 cents. I made a whole dollar in that stock. So I don't need to show you nothing else. Right? $1. With the fees, I ended up bringing in $31.86. Remember, my small account has a goal of $30 a day. So technically, without the fees, you would say I made approximately 7.5%. Yeah, 7.5%, almost 8%. All right. With that being said, one trade away. I'm gonna end this video. Before I end it, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my chart window here. I'm going to add stocks to my watch list. Look at this. Play still going. Play. Watch play. Watch list. We'll go right here. And I'm going to OGI, AUTL, RLX. Hold on. I didn't push enter. AUTL. RLX, and NOVN is still going. Anybody bought this morning at $12 and held it this long? Oh man, good job. You got still hands for sure. I personally would have sold. Now, if I'm in my large account, I trade the same stock sometimes 3 or 4 times. In my small account, as you know by now, I only make one trade in my small account, period. I don't like to trade over. You can overtrade real easy. When you're doing bankroll management in a small account, you can't afford to keep trading over and over and over again, because what you can do is you're going to run out of money. It's good to run out of money if you're making big money, right? But if you're only making $5 and run out of money, and you made like 4 or 5 trades on the same stocks, watch these videos, man. Like, or fix yourself. Like, fix your discipline, because you don't have any. I don't know it all, but I know a lot. With that being said, I'm almost done with my watch list. As you see, I'm always updating my watch list, right? As I'm trading, always moving your watch list around to make sure you are in tune to what's going on in the market. Because out of nowhere, something to pop up. Like, where'd it come from? Like, play popped up out of nowhere. Because it's on the watch list. I saw it pop up. We popped $17 on this NOVN. I traded twice my large account. Once in my small account, twice in my large account. I'm up to around 40,000 on the day on NOVN. I don't know about you guys, but for 15 minutes of work or less, that's not bad, right? It's Friday. You know I don't trade much on Friday. I just buy dips. On Friday, every Friday, by the way, I always buy dips. I call it dip by Friday. All I do on Fridays pretty much is add stocks that's dipping to my long-term portfolios and make sure that I am buying or averaging down, right? Sometimes averaging up, depending on the movements, but most time I'm averaging down, right? The goal is to average up, meaning you're still winning, right? You're moving forward and forward and forward. You don't want to average down. You want to average up. That's the purpose of trading. Average up, not average down. With that being said, I'm up for the day. I'll tell you one last time. 31.86. I bought here in this red candle. It faked me out. Hit that wall. Right? It pulled back. Next candle popped in. It blew high day. I got out of it. One trade away. You guys stay green. See you guys next week. Maybe Tuesday. I may not trade Monday. One.